Hey there, kids. We're going to make some Christmas cookies today because it's Christmas time. This is a type of cookie called peanut blossoms. Peanut blossoms can be noticed by the fact that they got a Hershey kiss, one of these right here, in the middle of each cookie. And we got a picture of them right there, if you can see that. So those are the cookies that we're going to make. We got our ingredients over there, so let's get started. Alright, now we're going to do our wet ingredients first. And the wet ingredients are the butter, the milk and the vanilla, the sugar, the brown sugar, the peanut butter and the egg. Those are kind of the wet things that come together real nice. So we're going to do the sugar first. Careful. Uh-oh. You need help with this one. Come on. Alright, good. Good. There we go. There's the sugar. Put the sugar in. Very good, very good. And here is the milk and vanilla. It's 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And there was half a cup of sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. Now we're going to do the egg. I've got it. This is the egg. One egg. And next we do half a cup of peanut butter. Uh-oh, you might not come out so easily. Yeah, there we go, that's most of it. Good job. Alright, we just need to add half a cup or 1 stick of butter. Go ahead, put that in there. Oh, good, good. That's some good butter. Alright, now we're going to put it in the mix master and mix it together. You will record me bringing the bowl over. Ready to go. When we're ready to cook, ready to spin? Yeah, ready to spin. Alright kids, now that we put the wet ingredients in the bowl, we're going to turn on the mix master. Always get your parents' help whenever you use something that plugs into the wall, like a mix master. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's mixing, it's mixing. Look at all that hard work it's doing for us. I'm going to turn it up a little higher. You kids want it up a little higher? Yeah, of course you do. Look at it spin. Hey, we're mixing. We're mixing. We're making cookies, kids. Christmas cookies. Oh, I think we're ready. We're going to add the dry ingredients in now. So these are the dry ingredients. That's the flour, 1 3/4 cups. The baking soda, that's 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And the salt, there's half a teaspoon of salt. So let's put the dry ingredients in now. Perfect. And now let's turn the thing back on. Oh, there's a bit of flour popping out. It's alright. We're going to make it. It's going okay. Oh yeah, we're mixing. It's coming together. Oh yeah, I think we're done. Now turn it off. Alright, we're going to put it in the refrigerator to chill for a little while. Then we'll come back and put it in the oven as cookies. Alright, we'll see you again soon. Yep, just going to get some of the cookie mix off. Going to get it off the beater. Oh, I want to eat it all. You kids know how good cookie batter tastes. Yeah, me too. Tastes so good. so hard to put the cookies in the oven sometimes. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's most of it. Good. Good. All right. Now that we've finished mixing our batter, we've covered it with plastic. And it's got to go in the refrigerator for about an hour to chill. All right. Here we go. It's really heavy. Let's go. All right. We'll see you again in an hour.
Yeah, Muesli, are you ready?
Yeah, all right. Oh, the numbers are moving.
That's right. What are we going to do next?
All right, so now we've got the dough out the refrigerator. All we're able to do one. Yeah, the dough. It's all nice and cold. And we have some sugar here. That's a bunch of sugar. Yeah. So the sugar is what the dough goes in the sugar and then it goes on the pan. And you roll them in little balls like that. They're about the size of foosballs, if you know what foosballs are. Yeah. So you don't want to make golf balls. Those are too big. Golf balls are too big. So if you could roll a foosball-sized ball,
this?
Yes, it's not
Is it too big?
a little too big. Take some off. Good. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, so you put that in the sugar.
Okay.
And give it a roll around. Try not to get too much sugar on your fingers.
Oh, okay.
Or your paws in one case.
And like this?
That's perfect. So now you put that on a tray.
Okay.
Yeah. Give it a little more space because you're going to flatten out.
Let's see. Like this?
A little bit more.
Okay. Like this?
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Now just do that like 25 more times.
25 more times, okay?
Please.
Okay, Muesli.
Right. We're going to speed the camera up and do some kind of editing trick now to really accelerate this process at all. But I'm also going to entertain as much as I can during the process.
Alright, how many do we have now?
Oh, all right, now let's shout over here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is what multiplication is. 9 times 2 is 18. Right, do we need the calculator to check, or are we pretty sure?
You did great,
Oh,
Muesli.
good. All right, well, let's put them in the oven. Oh, yeah. All right, the oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Let's put them in. Careful. Yeah, good. Very good. Oh, they look great. Yes, yep, careful. Good. All right. Let's go. All right. We got to do it for 8 minutes.
Yeah.
8. That one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then stop. All right. Here we go. We'll see you in 8 minutes, kids. Goodbye. Let's open it up.
Is it ready?
Yeah, those are ready. Yeah. Let's take them out. Yep, take them out. Good. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's some more. All right.
What's next, Muesli?
Now we put the chocolates on. All
So
right.
we have 18 chocolates here.
Yep, I counted them. I'll put them all in there.
1,
That's 1, 2, yeah, 2. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oh, that smells so good. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Oh no.
I ate one. I'm sorry. I
ate one?
couldn't help myself, but I ate one. This is my fault.
Oh no.
It'll be over.
Do we have extra?
Yeah, I think we got some around there, over there.
I found it.
Good. Alright, can we take one more out? I love Hershey Kisses.
Okay.
Mhm.
Last one.
And 18. That's 9 times 2.
So beautiful, Muesli. Good
Alright.
job.
Well, we'll see you again in the next video, everybody. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you have some cookies. Goodbye.
Do you want to try, Muesli?
You bet I want to try it. Woof, it's it that we made cookies. Come on. Right over here.
Muesli, these are very good. Thank you. We should tell the rest of our friends that there are cookies here. As soon as I have 3 more. You're my best friend, Muesli. Thank you. Alright, now let's go. There are still some left. Let's go tell other people about the cookies. Come on.
All right, let's go.